Hello guys, today we are going to be checking out the 5 best motorcycle lifts you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion, hours of research, and I have listed them based on performance features and price. Number 5, Big Red Touran. Features a lifting range of 5 1/8 to 16 1/8 inch with a 3/4 ton, 1,500 pounds, load capacity. Equipped with 6 locking positions and includes 2 locking swivel casters, a bottle jack, and a pulling bar. Wide load-bearing jack is intended for the powersports enthusiast for maintenance or even lifting for off-season storage. Powder coat finished exterior provides long-lasting durability. Ideal solution to your motorcycle, snowmobile, ATV, and UTV lifting needs. Number 4, Apextreme. Wide top surface desk design with a durable rubber pad which has striped vanes to prevent slippage and scratching. Solid steel construction and black powder coated finish which is for oil resistant, grease resistant and dirt resistant. Galvanized treatment accessories to prevent rust. Come with a free galvanized crank handle which is very easy to operate. Just rotating the metal sleeve to lift your motorcycle easily, a really excellent helper for motorcycle repair. Please do not use power tools to operate. The lift fits most motorcycle models including cruiser bikes, street bikes, adventure touring motorcycles, etc. Number 3, Vivohum. Heavy-duty and solid steel construction in a red and black powder-coated finish. The paint is for easy cleanup, oil-resistant, grease-resistant and dust-resistant. Fits most motorcycle models including cruisers, trikes, Can-Am Spyders, ATVs, UTVs, dirt bikes, snowmobiles, etc. Attached with a free crank for easy operation. Just rotating the metal sleeve to lift a motorcycle easily, a really excellent helper for motorcycle repair. Top surface is designed a durable rubber pad with striped vanes, which is beneficial to prevent slippage and scratching. Maximum lift height, 14.5 inch. Total weight capacity, 1,100 pounds, for use in the garage, shop, or at the track. Number 2, Extreme Max. Durable rubber padding on platform, heavy-duty steel frame. Easily hand-operated using 7/8 inch socket or wrench. High-strength worm drive and heavy-duty steel construction pair together to lift nearly any road bike, touring bike, or cruiser up to 1,100 pounds. Textured rubber padding prevents any metal-on-metal contact, protecting your ride from scratching, scuffing and scraping. Features the exact same jack, but adds the addition of a dolly tray to increase its versatility. Sliding your jack into place underneath your bike has never been easier. Number 1, Orion Motor Tech. With a hefty lift capacity of 1,200 pounds and dynamic lift height range from 3 3/4 to 13 2/5 inch, it can be used to lift street bikes, cruiser bikes, and adventure touring motorcycles. It will not fit snowmobiles, ATVs, UTVs, or dirt bikes. Padded with premium rubber for extra durability and stability. Protective gloves are included for your safety. Manufactured and tested to meet all current safety standards. Heavy-duty steel body and steel sleeve with easy adjusting lift height. The durable red coating is highly resistant to oil, grease, and dirt. Thanks for watching the video. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe, and press the bell button to this channel to get more awesome video every day. You can share it if you think it's helpful for your friends.